Hey there, truck enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about beasts in the pickup world, the legendary Ram 1500 TRX. But here's the twist. What about the 2026 Dodge Ram TRX? Is it happening? Or is this iconic performance truck destined to fade away? Let's break it down. For those who don't know, the Ram 1500 TRX isn't just any truck. It's a monster on wheels. With a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine pumping out 702 horsepower, it redefined what a full-size pickup could do. Off-road dominance? Check. Street cred? Double check. Here's the deal. Ram has officially announced that 2025 will be the final year for the TRX, at least in its current form. And the reason? Electric vehicles. Ram is going all in on electrification. Their upcoming lineup includes the fully electric 2026 Ram 1500 REV and even a hybrid model called the RAMTRX. These new trucks aim to combine performance with sustainability, and they're set to take center stage. But wait, what if I told you the TRX story doesn't end here? There's speculation that Ram could bring back the TRX. But with a twist. Imagine an 800-plus horsepower plug-in hybrid version. Yes, you heard me right. Over 800 horses. This beast would keep the TRX spirit alive while embracing the future of mobility. Think insane acceleration, zero-emission capability for short trips, and enough off-road prowess to tackle anything Mother Nature throws at it. Of course, Ram isn't alone in this race. Brands like Ford and Tesla are already dominating the electric truck market. But let's face it, the TRX name carries serious weight. If Ram can deliver an electrified TRX, it could crush the competition when it comes to performance and attitude. So, is the 2026 Dodge Ram TRX happening? Officially, no. But unofficially, never say never. Ram hasn't ruled out bringing back the TRX as an electric or hybrid model someday. Until then, we'll have to enjoy the current TRX while it lasts and keep our eyes peeled for whatever Ram has up its sleeve next. What do you think? Would you want to see an electrified TRX? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the wildest rides out there. See you next time!